Welcome back. This is Shirley Davis, and I'm here to do another video on my top performing stocks. But before we dive too deep, I want to welcome back all my subscribers and welcome back my new viewers. So as we can see, the headline on Market Watch today is DiDi IPO prices at top range of $14 per share. So today DiDi goes public. This is the Chinese Uber. They go public today. And it says the ride-hailing company DiDi Global priced its initial public offering shares at $14. China-based DiDi said its IPO filing expected shares to be $13 to $14. And DiDi going public after a whirlwind roadshow of 3 business days, says the Wall Street Journal. So they do a little bit of food delivery, and they do ride hailing, they do a few other services. So the app will be trading on the public exchange probably around 11 or maybe even latest 1 o'clock. Usually IPOs do not start at the normal 9:30. So that's just some quick information there. Okay, so now I want to do something very quickly, which is go over my portfolio and just how I built it, just really quickly. This is how I built my portfolio. I built it over time, and I'm still building it, of course. And as you can see, I own a lot of Microsoft, I own a lot of Tesla, I own a lot of Okta, Twilio, AMD, Apple, Ford, Space. But as you go up to the top of this pyramid, which I call a pyramid, the amount of shares that I own decrease. So I have the least amount of shares with ticker symbols like CLOV, AMC, GME, BBB, GIVO, or otherwise known as meme stocks. And then as I come down in that pyramid, I go deep. I've got banks, oil, travel. So that's stocks like Bank of America, ConocoPhillips, Delta Airlines, MGM Grand. And then it just filters down. You know, the names start to become familiar. SBCE or Virgin Galactic, Ford, Apple, AMD, Twilio, Okta, Tesla, and Microsoft. Microsoft's been around for 10 years. Tesla's been around for 10 years. Okta's been around for 4 years. And Twilio's been around for 4 years. AMD has been around for 10 years, but they just rebooted. They kicked it into overdrive. So this is how I built my stock portfolio, and this is how I'm building wealth over time. So that was just a little quick summary. And I got these arrows here showing low risk with the Microsoft, and then I have the high risk with the meme stocks, so that I dabble in from time to time. And so this is how I built my portfolio. For most shares being in like the Microsofts, the Teslas, the Oktas, and Twilios, and the Apple. And then at the top, I have the least amount of shares invested for Clove, Givo, GME, AMC, those type of stocks. So just going to move on to my Robinhood now. And the top performing stocks, Amazon is up 0.09%. CrowdStrike is up 1%. Snap is up 1.5%. And CMG or Chipotle is up 1.76%. Okay. Top stocks in my portfolio today, ticker symbol INPX or Inpixon. This is a pharmaceutical company, probably an experimental drug. I bought it back during the craze of the Modernas and those type of stocks. Ticker symbol CLOV, or Clover Health, is up this morning, 3.67. Ticker symbol FRO. This is a dividend stock I own, and it's up 2.68%. SoFi, or ticker symbol SOFI, SoFi Technologies, is up. I would still say this is a buy. We're looking for the price target about $25 per share, but this stock is fairly new. It's going to have a few ups and downs because they're going to need at least a quarter. So that means at least 3 to 4 months to start to formulate their numbers. And so that means, okay, they went public in June, so they may have our earnings coming up soon, either September or October. But keep your eye on that. I think SoFi is still a buy. Ticker symbol COP is up 1.3%. This is ConocoPhillips. As you know, people are traveling. Gas is up 70. I think it's up 7 cents this month. So just be aware that gas prices are going up. I mean, you might want to be invested in at least one oil company. Ticker symbol AMC. AMC is up 1.29%. AMD is up 1.17. Excuse me, 1.1%. So that's AMD. This is Advanced Micro Devices. They provide chips for video gaming and some PCs, and they do a whole bunch of stuff basically. They're sort of in competition with NVIDIA, but they haven't signed that big contract yet. So that is AMD. Uber shares are up today. Uber shares are up 0.5%. And we do know DiDi is going public today. So, you know, some people will rather just keep their money, add to the position of Uber. But I like to diversify, so I might be buying some DiDi shares. Might not be all today, might be some on, you know, Friday after the cool off. Ticker symbol FCEL, or Fuel Cell Energy, is up 0.55%. And ticker symbol PSEC, or Prospect Capital, our dividend play, is up 0.5%. No big deal. All right. Well, again, I want to thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. And if you like this content, please give it a like. Please click the notification bell for the updates. And as always, we have the links below for Robinhood and Webull and M1 Finance. If you like some free shares, of course, Webull and Robinhood provide that as soon as you activate the accounts and deposit funds. So I want to thank you for watching. Thank you for listening, and we'll see you on the next video.